If you're looking for a great way to stay cool this summer, check out this Summer Infant Pop and Play Ultimate Playard. We have had this for about 3 years now, and we have used it all over the place. We've used it on the beach. We've used it in the house as a pack and play to sleep in. We use it out in the yard on a nice day. This has done a great job at containing the little ones, keeping them cool, and keeping them clean. So as you can see in here, we have the canopy here. This zips so that you can block sunlight where you need to or open it where you need to, and it pops off super easy. It just has these little claw clips and it just pops right off. You'll turn it inside out and it packs just like this. Here is the actual Playard. It has a thin but padded pad at the bottom, so you have a little bit of cushion, a little bit of comfort, but it's not super thick. It's very wipeable and cleanable. As you can see, we have used this all over the place and it is holding up so well. It's the right height that keeps kids in without hurting themselves. There's even a little storage pocket right here, which we've used for putting phones in so that they can watch the phone through that. It's been really handy. The best part is how quickly it packs up and how quickly it pops open. So we can go ahead and show you really quick how to set this up. First, when you pull it out of the bag, you will pull out the top part, easy breezy, it's right in the middle. And then all you do is pull this open. It opens very easily, and then you roll it to your side and you will find these hooks here. They're little fabric loops, and you just pull them and put them on the bottom of the foot. Go to the next foot and do the same thing. Here's the little fabric loop, put it on the bottom of the foot. And we'll do this all the way around. Super quick, super easy. We're already almost done putting it together. The last one is always the hardest. There we go. So now it's set up, and the last thing to do is to grab the little topper here. It again just opens up nice and easy. Pop it inside out here. And then each part here has like a little claw shaped clamp here, and you'll just push it down on each corner that has the little colored part all the way around. And we're done. You have the option to zip and unzip to get in and out, put your kids in and out. This cover will help them stay cool, and we've really enjoyed having this. So here's how you pack it up really quickly. As you can see, we already pulled off the canopy. We're going to roll it to the side, and we are going to grab these loops and pull them off of the feet. And we're going to do that for each of the legs. Last one, pop, and then it just collapses in, super easy. You'll want to put your canopy inside and close it up, and it will fit right into the travel bag. Weighs about 7 pounds. It's super easy to carry, lightweight, and really handy. So I recommend grabbing something like